Alright, I was going to try to see if I can get my car out of the driveway. As you can see, we got a whole lot of snow. I venture to say there's probably 1.5 feet or more on the ground right now. And I got a little path out from the door. But it doesn't look like I'm gonna be able to get the car out. Got a little path down to the driveway. Got the car started. Pretty much got down to the street. See, the car is pretty much under all the snow. Barely could get the door open. I got all the way down to the street almost. And right as I got down to the street, the plow truck came.
Oh, he just came?
Yep, just came. And now, this is what the front of our driveway looks like. Just to give you an idea how deep the snow is. Now I have this mountain of snow, and I can't get out. So, looks like I'm stuck. And who knows for how long, because there's no way in the world I could shovel over this big mountain of snow to get out there into the street. So,
I love it. Look up there. That's a nice picture.
We're stuck in this winter wonderland.
Yay.
And back in the house I go, I guess.
It's for powdery stuff. Look. Can't even make a snowball.
Yeah, this is ridiculous.
I love it.
Alright, people. I ain't getting out of here. So, I'm just gonna retreat like a defeated man in battle. Go get the kids and throw them in the snow. Yeah, I saw that. Give you an idea, that's the shovel, and it's not even touching the ground. So there's no way I'm digging out of that stuff. See? Show you how deep it is. It's crazy. Alright, people, I'm out. I'm freezing. I was trying to go out. Not going to be able to go out. Peace.